everybody, it's Linda from Remade with Love. And what do you do when you're a sucker for those wonderful smelling wallflowers? And you've got a limited budget, or maybe they're not on sale. Well, today I'm going to show you how you can take your leftover wallflower plug-ins that are empty and recycle them using a few store-bought items and your own ingenuity to come up with fresh wallflowers. So watch on and I'll show you the secret to this. Also, it's a cautionary tale because not all scents are made to be plugged in and breathed daily. So I'll have some attachments and some links that you can look at to see what will be safe for you and your household. Is this even right for you to reuse wallflowers or any scent in your home, including what we think of as healthy and all natural? So watch on.
To reuse your Bath & Body Wallflowers, you'll need the original Wallflower, the used scent bottle and the plug device, and a pair of needle nose pliers and flathead screwdriver. You'll want a new cotton wick the length and width of the original so that it's fresh and you won't introduce old smells to your new scent. I'll have info in the links on this. Some scents like these essential oils and a carrier oil, grape seed or almond are commonly used since they're very low odor, are safe to use in a warming device, and are perfect for introducing and suspending essential oils. Okay, so you're going to start by grabbing your used scent bottle and removing the wall plug. You'll want to clean the bottle so it's free of old smells and colors. To do this, take your flathead screwdriver and very, very carefully work the tip of it between the glass lip and the plastic holder for the wick. Carefully pry up that plastic up and away from the glass, and take your needle nose pliers and, holding onto the wick, pull it out from the glass. Have plenty of towels, paper towels on hand to soak up any oils that spill or to wipe your hands on. Wallflower wicks will have a tiny little nail that holds the wick to the plastic spacer. You'll need to remove this and keep it to reuse with the plastic piece later. Push the nail point down on a hard surface to start the process to remove it, and use the needle nose pliers or your fingers to carefully remove the nail and throw out the old wick. Then you're going to thoroughly clean and dry your glass bottle. Use a degreasing dish soap like Dawn, or boil them for a few minutes if there's only dried up residue inside. Then you're going to be needing a carrier oil, one that's safe to breathe and will suspend your scented essential oil. Almond and grapeseed tend to be the most commonly used oils. Now, here is where you'll need to do your homework about using air fragrances. Please do your research. I've attached some links to start you out to see if your family should be using any air fresheners. Some experts say that essential oils are perfectly fine, while others say that certain groups like babies, cats, folks with asthma, and other breathing issues should not have any air fragrances. From the research I've done, I know that most commercially produced air fragrances contain VOCs, or volatile organic compounds, and that includes formaldehyde and phthalates, which are known to produce unhealthy reactions. What I'm showing you is how to create warmed air fragrances without those volatile organic compounds. Okay, so I'm using about 2 tablespoons of grapeseed oil poured directly into the clean glass, followed by about 12 drops of organic vanilla essential oil. Please use the first link in the remarks for this video. It will tell you and talk about the ratio of carrier oil to essential oil, the drop ratio. So I want you to make sure that you're safe in doing that. And then make sure you clean the outside of the bottle from any spilled oil. You don't want to have any on the outside. And then next, grab your all cotton wick and eyeball where the new wick and the plastic holder will align to fit correctly with the length of the glass. Then you're going to go ahead and, putting the plastic piece on, take the old nail that you've set aside and, using your fingers, or a soft mallet, you're going to push that nail through so that it holds the plastic piece, which suspends the wick in the oil, to the plastic piece and the cotton. So here we go, there's that tiny little nail, and you're going to start out by putting it through that original hole that was on the plastic piece when you took it apart. Sometimes this can be really difficult, so like I said, if it doesn't work using your fingers, I've had some that push in quite easily, go ahead and get a soft mallet or a small hammer that you can gently tap that nail through the plastic piece and through the cotton wick. This one gave me trouble. There we go. That worked. Okay, next you're going to take it in, put it in place, and just snap it into place. And like I said, I had a little bit of trouble sometimes, and I use a soft mallet to sometimes tap that on. Then you're going to replace the top and shake it up to mix, and you're ready to use and enjoy. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing to Remade with Love on Facebook and YouTube. That smells so good.